Haikou, hey yeah. Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything. Little bit of everything. Everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Meander here and meander there. Meander everywhere, here and there. Haikou everywhere. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
So this is called Zhilo Street, and then this is kind of the busy street that it's on. It's also called Zhongshan Lu for some reason. And it just kind of filled with all these arcades, but then this particular one is blocked off like that, so the traffic can't go through, so that all pedestrians can walk through it. So this is when we get. So stay tuned for that. Okay, Haikou. So let's put this up on the map so you can see the area that we're at. And just letting you know, there's some music that's going to come up in a second as well. And this is a series of 17 of Haikou and Hainan Island. So so these are right in this neighborhood that you saw already. And let's just get right into it. Walk and talk time. Haikou, China. Let's see what it looks like as if you were there yourself. Okay. So this is this kind of interesting stuff. Okay, let's navigate through this. Lots of tourists everywhere. This is I Love Haikou. We have a mascot there. Okay. So we're going to try to capture as many things as we can on the street, just so you can have the full view of it. One of the things you're going to see is all of these things with the architecture. So 1910, 1938, 1950. It looks like they labeled them and also like gave some kind of homage to them as well. And then we have these little things here. So we're going to just capture that. So I've seen these in other cities in China too. So we just kind of capture some other stuff in here. Kind of cool. So they actually did some street art in here too. And then let me just kind of show you more of these things here. So there's these little commemoration of the different ones. Something happened July 24. Maybe it was recognized. Okay, so that's the start of our street. We're gonna see more of those little statue things. Okay, so let's keep on going down. And so you can see more of these commemoration things too. So they talk about the shop, the street number, 1930, overseas Chinese, business was started. So that's kind of what that stuff is about. Got some more street art right here. Kind of cool. So we have more commemorative things here and more over here too. So let's just walk over to another one. But actually it looks like almost all the shops have some kind of commemoration. So let me just see what another one says here. So this one has the, I guess you can do QR codes. So you can see exactly where these things come from. And here's another one. And I guess they started putting these up in 2024. You see some taking to, so I think maybe all of the buildings have these. So let me just kind of see what this one says too. Just kind of looking for themes here. So I think a lot of these, for some reason the other one also July 2024. And then this has the, so this was a hotel. And then it has like which is living in Vietnam, 1910, 1940s. So this was a hotel for Vietnamese. There's some connection. Just kind of walk back and see what that's all about. So it looks like these commemorations kind of have all the different stuff. And I kind of like the street art too. Okay. More street art. Let me see what else. So we got more stuff. I like this one in particular. I saw this earlier. Looks like we're facing the right way for all the street art as well, unless it goes the other way too. I don't think it does. So we started out down that way. Okay, so the next one we're gonna go down, we're gonna go over there in a second and check that one out. But before we do, so different street, different QR code, more information. So I guess 2011 they recognized all the historical buildings, and then 2024 some other thing happened where they recognized. So let's go over to that one. And then this one. I'm just gonna cut to this real quick. So 1928, 1931, overseas Chinese, business office, Lao Dao cigarettes, Melly cigarettes. So let me just kind of see, let me just kind of take a look at this real quick. So this is an old tea shop here. And then that building sold cigarettes. This one is honking the horn. Let me just see here. Let me see if they have, if they talk about it at all. It's kind of interesting because they have, this one is a lifesaver, and that one is the, and then that one is a shop right there. Okay. So I did another film a while back where I went down this little alley. There's a temple back here, so we're gonna walk over there. It's called Team Hao Temple. And it's for Mazu. So Mazu, the 700 years ago. And you can see it all the way down. So this is actually the goddess of the fishermen. So that's throughout Guangdong, Fujian province, Haikou as well. Is that also Mazu? I think that's, actually, you know what? I think I thought I filmed it before, but I guess I didn't, because This looks like Lin Tao temple right here. Huh. I guess I didn't. There's another temple down that way. I filmed this little street right here, and I didn't see. Oh. I guess I'll walk in there right now and just kind of see. Oh, okay. Oh, totally missed this last time. So I'm not going to go in because I don't want to film the actual. So we are going to walk. Oh, this is Macau. So you got a Tin Hau Temple in Macau, Australia, Singapore. For those I don't know, I live in Macau, so I've been there for 11 years. Right here, there's an artist doing some work here. That's kind of cool. Can I see?
Action.
It's a
GoPro.
camera.
Hi.
And you got to show that too. Yeah. Very good. It looks good. I like it.
It's me.
You say he's
It
handsome.
looks like you. It looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's good. It's great.
给他一个特写，
Very good. Oh, close up. Okay, there we go.
他想找个对象，找个俄罗斯女的。
He wants to find a girlfriend.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Could you recommend a girlfriend to him?
You can, there's one, there's two, there's others.
No. We're just
Oh,
friends. We're just good
okay.
friends.
Oh.
就是他主动想换第一。
All right.
Bye.
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 Thank you so much.
Bye.
Have fun. You too.
哎，美女吧。
It's fun. There's a coffee shop right up there. Okay, so I need to keep going down my street because otherwise these streets get so long. They're doing a little stuffy there, so that's kind of cool. Let me see. Yeah, China's a lot of fun. It's like there's really good people here, and when I bring out the camera, they're actually like really fun to interact with. And I just wish that I knew wish I knew how to speak Mandarin. I live in Macau, which is Cantonese, and not that my Cantonese is that much better, but I've been studying Portuguese there. More commemorative. So let's just keep on walking down. Let's see what this is. Old house of family. Oh, it's Yanfeng. So there's a street behind us a little bit that said had the same name here. So that family is connected. Let's see if we can. Let's just step in here real quick. Oh wow, amazing. So I don't know if this is, that might not be allowed, so. Okay, so we're gonna step on out. Capture this one. Okay, so our street looks like we're 11 minutes in, which is a little bit longer than I want it to be. I don't want these super long videos. But the street's been a lot of fun to film, so there's a lot to say. But I'm still gonna see more interesting stuff, so.
看一看成。
Okay. So we're just gonna continue down all the way to the end, and I'm gonna try to speed up a little bit, but if I get distracted again, it's all good, because I just don't want it to be longer than I don't want it to be like super crazy long or anything like that.
Everything, everything